English.
Hello all, welcome to our series on why Garmukteshwar is the next emerging destination for farmhouses for people living in Delhi NCR areas. Today we have our expert Mr. Vivek Raman, farmhouse expert we call him, and he has done farmhouses and lot of exposure of farmhouses in Mukteshwar, Ranikhet, Kumaon area, Garhwal area, Rishikesh, Haridwar, and he has done farmhouses in Sohna, Noida and Garmukteshwar also. So we will ask him lot of questions today. So welcome Vivek.
Thank you, Ashish.
So the first question is, you have seen farmhouses buyers in lot of areas, and people are looking towards farmhouses as a second home and as a personal retreat. How do you see demand is growing here in Garmukteshwar fast?
See, we have done a lot of projects in compare Sona and other places also. But the kind of demand what we are seeing in Garmukteshwar over the internet, the calls we receive is very high because it is very accessible to Delhi. I think from Delhi you can reach here in 1.5 hour from Akshardham, and if we talk about Noida Sector 62, you can reach here in 1 hour to this
Yes.
place. And being a holy river, we have a Ganga river here and spiritual place. The demand is growing very great. And second, if you have a big land chunk, you can see your children are playing here 10 20. I mean, you can do a party of 20 25 people. So there are some supporting factors which is creating a lot of demand for this place.
Yes. So why Garmukteshwar is a place like we have seen lot of farmhouses in Noida also. Why it is unlike Noida? What is so different here?
So earlier I've told you the lot of points, but in terms of especially if I talk about the prices, if we go to other places like Sona, Gurgaon, there the minimum price is for 3 to 4 crore rupees. You'll get a farmhouse, but here you will get something which is under 50 lakh kind of thing. Because recently we have launched phase two where we are selling at around 34 lakh rupees in 756 square yard. So you can imagine, I mean, under within a distance of one hour from Noida, 1 hour from Delhi, you are getting plots below 50 lakh. It's a big
Yes,
thing,
yes.
and especially on the national highway, hardly 10 minutes from national highway, NH9.
So we let us move towards next section. Legal clarity is very important for farmhouse buyers or land
Yeah.
buyers.
So Ashish,
Give some light on that also. How
Ashish,
safe is this
I'll tell
project?
you one thing which is very important. So whenever we do the project, any project, we do the complete due diligence, and due diligence is not like something it is overnight. So we have lawyers, we have a team, local people who does the complete due diligence. So during the land acquisition till we start a project, might be take 1 year also, sometimes 6 months to 1 year. So we complete the due diligence, so all papers are intact, all legalities are there. You will get complete registry of your paper plus mutation of your plots, farm plots which we are giving here. So from legal side you can cross check with us, anyone in the local tehsil, whatever you want.
Great answer, Vivek. Legality is very important for farmhouse buyers, and this community of farmhouses promises to protect customers in all legal ways. Now let us move to sizes and inventories available in this community. So what plot sizes are available?
So Ashish, the plot sizes are minimum plot sizes 756 square yard. So what we call it in Hindi, it is a 1 बीघा.
Yes.
एक बीघा में से कहते हैं 756 स्क्वायर यार्ड. If we talk especially about the गढ़मुक्तेश्वर, यहाँ बीघा थोड़ा छोटा होता है, it's a
Mhm.
small size. So that is one of the size. Then we have 1000 square yard. If somebody is looking bigger size, then you can have a multiple of all these plots. So these are the मतलब tentative two sizes: 756 square yard, 1000 square yard.
And final thing, let's move towards pricing.
Yeah.
What prices you are offering to the customers?
So if we talk about our, we right now we are sitting in the phase one. We have a phase two project where 756 square yard we are giving at 34 lakhs approx. So somewhere it comes 4500 rupees square yard. So previously I told you we are getting something under 50 lakh. So I mean, for if you buy about 1000 square yard, you will get in 45 lakhs. 756 34 lakhs. I think it is a quite decent price we have
Yes, yes.
kept.
That's
है
a
ना?
very important
So
price point. Yes,
even you'll
affordable
not get
price point
a,
here.
I think you'll not get a 600 square feet in 34 lakh in Noida.
Yes,
है ना? But here we are giving 756 square yard.
yes. So what are the USPs of this project? What are the factors that make this project unique?
So I'll tell you about the USP. First thing is that it is a what we are developing. It's a complete gated community. So there is a big boundary wall from outside, and second, you can see the boundary wall here. You can see the boundary wall here, and there will be main gate. Security will be there, and then we have a 25 feet to 35 40 feet road, internal wide road will be there, and we are developing a clubhouse. You can see this clubhouse. We are developing this
Yes.
clubhouse. You will have a this. This 2 BHK kind of you can utilize. You can have a party here, and this is a swimming pool we are giving common. Then we have a gazebo on the left hand side. You can see the gazebo. So these are the things we are developing inside a project.
Yes. So a lot of amenities are here. Normally, how do people utilize their farmhouse in the long run?
So so there are multiple use case for the farmhouses. What I can tell you about from our inquiry. So there are a lot of inquiries are coming. Like somebody wants for as a second home. Obviously, I mean they can build their own 2 BHK, 3 BHK construction cottages. They can build. They can have a swimming pool, garden. So they come. They can come with their family. They can do a party of 30, 40, 50 people. 756 square yard is not a small. It's a very big area. है ना? You can have आप you can see हमने आम के पेड़ भी लगे हुए हैं. This mango
Yes.
trees are there. You can build a gazebo. So it's a second home kind of thing. Second, what you can I'm seeing there is a lot of queries coming for people want to build a cottage. Obviously they will enjoy here, and but they want to give it on rent also. So Airbnb and GoIBibo, they want to list it. While coming to Garmukteshwar, you have seen there 2-3 resorts are developed.
Yes.
They are giving it 8-9,000 rupees per day. So, like if you go to Sona and all other Gurgaon side places, people are giving complete 4 BHK in 40-50,000 rupees per day.
Per day. Yes. Yes.
3-4 families are going, so you can build on your own something kind this, and you can give it on rent per day basis. So that
Yes.
is a thing. People are coming for organic farming. People are coming to open a yoga center, Ayurvedic. So different use cases. So farmland is there. You build anything, whatever you want.
Yes, that is also a very strong revenue stream for a
Yes.
person who is having a cottage or a farmhouse here. From an investment point of view, you told about the revenue thing, the money that can be made every month. How do you see growth here, growth
So
prospects of this land?
yeah, so I'll tell you the figure. Uh, the people who have entered 4-5 years back in this place around 15-18 lakh rupees per biga kind of thing now, which is not easily available at 40-45 lakh rupees biga. So
Yes.
you can see the kind of appreciation in four
Mhm.
5 years. So we are looking 30-40% appreciation in few years, and best thing on NH9 everything is getting developed. You are seeing the lot of big developers have launched their project. So this line is getting an extent, and people want to come and settle down. Even if you build your own home in a farmhouse, you can go to Noida or for a job or your business. You don't need to live in
Yes, yes,
apartments there also.
yes.
That's also. So we are getting a demand. We want our first home here, है ना? So that is the thing.
Yes. What are the success stories of growth appreciation in farmhouse? You have already told,
Yes, I
but
have
we
told
want
you
something
30 40
specific. Yes,
percent.
yes,
We the people who we have a client who have entered into 18-20 lakh rupees. Now they are getting in resale value is around 50-55 lakh rupees in the phase one. If I am talking, so they're good. It's a quite good appreciation, है So and even if you can build your own cottage, and if you want to sell it completely, that is rental income you will get, and you can send completely set up to someone. So
yes,
that also you can
yes.
farmland you are building a cottages. So that is also your good appreciation
So
kind of
there
thing.
are always some people who want to wait before buying
Yes.
this asset. What are the main important tips for the people who are just thinking of buying a farmhouse? Is it the right time to buy it, or they should wait?
No, I think now there is no waiting period for anyone. The market is going like anything. You have seen the rates are moving like anything. Even for us now, land acquisition cost has come up like anything. So I
Yes,
think this is the right time people should enter. Another 4, 5, 7 years is it will keep on increasing. All the price will keep on increasing.
yes.
I think there is no should be waiting period. You should enter into this time. buy it, because
Yeah.
and I think we are getting the maximum inquiries for farmhouses. We have less farmhouses. Inquiries are more for
Inquiries
us.
are more. Yes.
है ना?
So Vivek, you have given a lot of detailed insights about how to buy farmhouse, where to buy farmhouse in Delhi NCR, and the specific case study of Garmukteshwar. So I believe this is the right time to buy your own farmhouse for appreciation as well as for enjoying your life. So
Yeah.
if anybody wants to visit these farmhouses, you are most welcome. Please call us at the given number below, or maybe there is a form you can fill it and we will arrange your site visit. Thank you.
Thank you.